Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily install an app from unknown sources on your OPPO Find X7. So firstly, open Chrome and then go to Downloads. Now, download the app that you want. Now click. As you can see, this app has not been checked for security. And now click on Allow. And now it's preparing to install. Now we wait a couple of seconds and click on Install Anyway. Now we can click Open and we're good to go. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and follow for more tutorials. Bye.